Pomeranians are rather good with training, whether it is for housebreaking, heeling, or performing tricks. When it comes to house training, this will be a combined effort between the two of you. It will be a partnership in learning. You'll take the important role of teacher, and your Pom will be a great student, as long as you follow all of the necessary guidelines. Here, we'll cover the elements that you'll need to know in order to help your Pom puppy or untrained older dog be successful. Before we move on with this video, you need to grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide, in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him/her. Link to the free Secret Training Technique guide is in the description below. ! How long it takes to housebreak a Pomeranian? Pomeranians are pretty fast learners. However, the time that it takes for a Pom to be 100% fully housebroken will depend on a few factors. Two of the most important elements will be how strictly you stick with the training and how many learning opportunities the Pom has. Therefore, a lot of this depends on you. It will be important for you, and anyone else in the house that is responsible for your Pom, to follow the housebreaking guidelines to a T. And to take advantage of every chance to teach these important lessons. In busy households in which a Pom does not have guidance for most of the day, housebreaking can still be done, but will often take longer than in a house where an owner is home most days. Indoor versus outdoor. It is a popular notion that toy breed dogs can easily be trained to use a litter box or pee pads. While this is possible, this is not as easy as it sounds. A puppy may resist or have a hard time using pee pads because canines have a natural instinct to want to choose just the right spot to urinate or eliminate. However, indoor training can be done if you are persistent and you have a puppy that is cooperative. We recommend the outdoor housebreaking method, unless there are extenuating circumstances that prevent you from taking your Pom outdoors. To keep things simplified going forward, we will refer to your chosen spot as the designated bathroom area, and this will be the term used whether you have pee pads set up in a corner, have an indoor grass mat for your Pom, or are training outside. Preparing to housebreak your Pomeranian. You may wonder what you have to prepare for. Shouldn't you just get to it right now? While you can and should bring your Pom outside to avoid accidents in the house, there are 5 things that you'll want to have in place first, for fast success. If not, you may find yourself facing certain training struggles. 1. Choose the designated area. Every housebreaking rule is an important one, but this is certainly right at the top. Never just allow your Pom to go outside, somewhere. One certain area should be chosen as the designated bathroom area. Ideally, it will be an area of at least an 8 to 10 foot diameter. Your Pomeranian should be brought to that same area each and every time you take him out. Here are some tips on choosing where to bring your Pomeranian to go to the bathroom. Consider all of the seasons. What may be easily accessible in the spring may be hard to reach in the winter. If you live somewhere that receives snow or bad weather, choose a spot that you can easily reach no matter what. 2. Choose a containment method. This also is at the very top of the list of absolute necessities. And, not having this is the downfall of a huge number of housebreaking failures. This is for any time that you are not closely and directly supervising your Pomeranian. It's far too common that an owner will be watching their Pom, but then the pup scampers away behind the sofa or around the corner. You may be right on the trail, but when you jog over to grab him, there's already a puddle of pee. The best method to keep your Pom right by your side is to literally make it impossible for this not to happen. And that can be accomplished by tethering your Pom to you via a harness and a 4 or 6 foot leash. 4. Choose the right reward treats. Any time that a puppy or dog is trying to learn something, he is going to be more motivated to focus, be better able to soak in the knowledge, understand that he did something right, and look forward to the next lesson if he is properly rewarded. Eventually you will not need to offer a treat for each successful bathroom trip. Once your Pom is trained, your words alone will suffice. However, it is recommended to occasionally give treat rewards to Poms to reinforce lessons and show that you appreciate that rules are being followed. Tips. 1. When choosing the treat, you will want to be careful to opt for a very wholesome treat that does not contain any chemical additives, is considered to be extra tasty, is moist, these work better than dry, and is small enough that it can be doled out multiple times per day without causing a Pomeranian to feel full and potentially getting in the way of meals. A couple recommended treats for house training include Fruitables pumpkin and blueberry crunchy dog treats, which are made in the USA, are ideally sized for toy breed dogs, have no extra additives, and are well received due to their pretty great flavors. Aside from the pumpkin and blueberry, there is also pumpkin and banana, apple, and cranberry. Another good choice to send a strong signal of a job well done is Wellness Bites grain-free puppy training treats, which are perfectly sized, have no wheat or grain, come as super tasty flavors like lamb and salmon or chicken and carrots, and are made in the USA. 2. Keep a small plastic bag of your chosen training treat right by the exit door. There will be times when you are hurrying out with your Pom for immediate bathroom needs, and you do not want to be wasting time in getting them. Also, keep the sandwich bag zipped up so that your Pom does not smell them beforehand. 5. Choose the cue words. Dogs learn best when they can make the connection between words and actions. So, it will be important to decide on a phrase that will be spoken each time you take your Pom out to the bathroom area. You'll want this to be a short phrase since dogs pay little attention to anything past a few syllables, and you'll want everyone in the house that may take your Pom out to be on the same page about which phrase will be used. Some common cue words to use include go potty, potty time, pity potty, and get busy. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the Little Paws Training channel if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.